Linux Mint 2.2, my new operating system. Well, actually, I have three. I have Win 10, they keep pushing me to go to 11. I don't think that's going to happen for a while. Linux Mint 19.3, I've been using it for over a year. And now I've got Linux 20.2. I loaded it on a USB stick, ISO file, and there's directions online. If you go to the mint.org, you can see, and they use Ruckus on Windows to make a bootable USB stick. But I've had it in here now. I used the stick to access the main programs for about a month. And it was pretty quick, and I liked it. So I finally decided to load it on a spare SSD, 1 TB, and I had it laying around here for some backup, but now I got a bigger one. So that was cool, and it's quick. This thing loads quick. So after a month of testing just the base programs that come with the operating system, I loaded it, and then I added GIMP, OBS, Kdenlive, Audacity, VLC, and Chrome. Now, everything but Chrome, I just used their software manager. I'm going to show you that real quick. Software manager, boom. Oh, wrong one, sorry. Still getting little icons mixed up. Software manager, and this comes in as part of the operating system. You type what you want, like say OBS, and here I loaded it, and it actually was through Flatpak, through their software manager by Mint. They approved everything, and they keep it right up to date. Flatpak's pretty cool. And it tells you that it's remotely inputted Flatpak, okay? So we go back, and now VLC wasn't loaded in here, but it was listed, and they just didn't want to put it in with the operating stuff, but you can add it real quick. It's not Flatpak. It's part of the Mint package or repository. So that's what they call it. Okay, so that's how, and it loads real quick. You can uninstall from there too. Excuse me. So just to show you how quick this is, here, this is Kdenlive, my video editor loading. Boom. And this is a trial, like a beta almost, beta plus. I've been using it, and I've only seen a couple weird little things, nothing major. But I think January 6th it comes out with an update to it to clear out a lot of bugs. I haven't seen all the bugs, but I use basic stuff in here, so that's where that's at. But you notice it loads quick. So far, I'm pretty impressed with this. And I've got OBS going right now, and it works great with this. Now I hit Chrome, boom, it loads, and I got my Gmail and all that good stuff in here. That's why I like Chrome. And GIMP. Now this is the latest, or next, almost the nearest update. It loads quick, and I've had used Photoshop Elements and other basic Photoshop stuff, and they're not quite this quick. This does everything that I used to use in Photoshop. There's a little bit of a learning curve, but YouTube's got tons of videos on it. When you go in here and you click on all applications, you can go over here and set your cursor on this. start going down. And this is all the apps that come with this. And it's got a full suite of stuff. If you weren't doing video editing, you could just use this for everything. 20.2 discovered my printer from the USB stick and my scanner with no manipulation. 19.3, I had a little bit of workaround. The GNU image thing is GIMP. I loaded Gparted because I like to mess with my hard drives a little bit. And as you can see, there's Kdenlive, that's added. LibreOffice is your basic office tools, and it has spreadsheet, everything. It works. I like it. Pretty much, I modified the way it looks. Down here, I went to minty dark with the red boxes. I like that. It's cool. Change the size of fonts, change the font, locations. Warpinator, something new with 20.2. I haven't tried it yet, so I'll be messing with that. This is just a little heads up on what you can do with this thing. It's quick. And when I loaded it, I did it a little differently this time. I actually created my partitions for my root, my swap file, and my home file, and I took the 1 terabyte and used about 40 gig for the operating system. The rest is my home file where it stores stuff, and then I back it up, and I got like 4 drives on this thing. But as you can see, everything you need is here. Now, I will say what I like over Win 10 is the updates. So Win 10 is getting to be a royal pain. Okay, I just see I got a little update here. And it tells you what it is. It's a security update. Now you click on it, you can go down here and get a description. You can see the packages that it's going to impact, and basically they're just files with folders with files in it. It's all kind of Unix based, basically. That's how I look. I know Unix, but Linux is simplified. So here's what it's going to do, and these are the security update numbers that are posted for other operating systems. So I'm going to let you see firsthand just to update this thing, what it takes, and it's pretty quick. It always asks for my password, if I can remember it. So, nope, and I log in with that password. You can change that though. Okay, it's going to start running, and it's going to show you from the terminal. It's going to preload the stuff, and it's going to do. If you were in terminal, you could do. Okay, that was that update. No big deal. I could always say, "Oh, I walk in this morning." It does it every time you turn it on. But during the day, if you go, wow, I wonder what's going on here, you could hit refresh, and it'll scan the repositories and say, it goes, hey, we got a security update on this or that, and boom. It's pretty cool. So down below here, these are notifications. I was doing some Kdenlive testing of OBS earlier. I always like to run a test before. I spend a bunch of time talking, and then I go, and there's no voice. So that's it in a nutshell. we'll see. I'm going to keep testing the Caden Live here and all the stuff. And, I have some spreadsheets, and they load just as quick. So that's it for now. And I love this Mint 20.2. It's quick. Bye for now.